Hi everyone, in today's video I want to share you about the new update from Plotagon story. So in the Plotagon, the new Plotagon update is, let's create a movie and then let's okay, so the new one is about the camera. You can look in here, there is a new feature and you can drag and the camera farther, okay, like this, and click done. Hello, let's try.
Hello.
Okay, and the next one is you can pick your background by clicking this scene presentation. Okay, click this and this is the new one. So you can pick your picture from your gallery and click the gallery and like this, and if you want to add the actor or the actress, that's how you pick the picture. If you want to add some filters by clicking this is filter, this is picture, and the next one you can add the text. You can edit your text, edit the justified, the alignment text on the top, in the middle, or at the bottom. You can change the color, you can change the transparency, maybe and you can change the volume, pitch, this is fade in, fade black, and that's the new feature from Plotagon. Don't forget to install the update to use the feature. See you soon on the next video. Bye.